Hi guys, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. So today I have a huge Hobby Lobby haul. And let me tell you guys, lots of things I got under $1. Yep, so exciting. If you want to see what I hauled, stay tuned. I'm going to start with the largest item, and it's actually not a craft item, but it's one of these you use when you're watching TV and you want to use the laptop. So a lot of times my sisters come over, and this is perfect for one of my sisters because I already have mine. But so I decided to get it. Originally, this was $15.99. I got it for $3.99 for $4, you guys. This is not bad. I'm very excited about getting this. And it's like, you know, has that little pillow in the back. So, very cool. All right, moving on. The other big thing I got was actually Decor mesh. And this is this gorgeous kind of like a maroon burgundy color. And this will be perfect for a fall wreath. I think originally they're $16, and I got this one for $2.49. $2.49, and these, because these are the 21-inch, so this is long. That one I was very excited because Decor mesh does get expensive. This one was only $5.99, and I got it for $1.49. And so it's like a brown color. So not my, I guess, color of choice, but I'm sure I can use it in some DIYs. And this thing is long. This one is 5 yards. So very excited about that. Buckets are next. I got this little bucket for 62 cents. It was $1.99. I don't think that's so bad, but 62 cents, it beats Dollar Tree. Not only that, these two that are, I'll show you that later. These two were on clearance also for 49 cents. So 2 for $1. Once again, beats Dollar Tree. But that's why I go to Michael's and Hobby Lobby when there's huge clearances like that. Next thing I got is Farmhouse little stencil, and it was 74 cents. And it's big, and I love this little detail right here that you can use separately even from this. So really nice, and I don't know if you guys can see the price. It's 74 cents. Next thing I got, I'm not sure the original price. Oh, $2.99 I guess. Okay, I guess I am sure. So original price of this clock is $2.99. I got it for 74 cents, and this is wood. But 74 cents, you guys? I was like, you know, one of these crafters are gonna come up with some sort of a challenge for a clock challenge or something, and I got one. So very excited about that. This one is a ribbon. It was $7.99. I got it for $1.99. I think I was late to the game as far as ribbon. I could hardly find any ribbon. I think that's the only one I took because there was just none left, and this one was like in between some other things, so I think it got lost. So I got that. And then speaking of ribbon, kind of, I got one of these $3.99. I got it for 99 cents. This is for my little niece, and it's ivory, so it'll match so many things with a little gold in the middle. I'm thinking it was from Christmas, but still, for 99 cents, I think that's a steal. So that's gonna go to my little niece. Okay, a wooden plug. There's how many in here? I think it's covered by the price tag, but I don't know, 20 or something. And it was $1.99 originally, and it was 62 cents. So just little wooden plugs. I thought I got 2 of them because they had 2 different sizes. Maybe I kept them. Yeah, I think I put that one back. Nope, I did not. I got little ones. This is also 62 cents, so smaller and a little bit of a larger size. Not bad at all. Next, original price $2.99. Got it for 74 cents. It's a little stand like this that I can definitely give a little makeover to. Not bad. This one, I was looking for a perfect letter N because I have a DIY coming up that I will be using this in. It's not the design that I wanted. I did not want these like bubbles on here, but when I came home, I realized that there's 2 of them in there. I was like, no way. I didn't even pay attention because I was looking at the letter. So for 2 of them, I paid $1.47. I think this is the only thing that I bought, quote, full price, but because I needed it. Okay. Next are these little, what are they called? They're foam balls, but so they were originally, I have no clue. I bought it for $1.37. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, so 12 of them in here for $1.49. I think that's nice. And we have a lot of Christmas in July videos coming up, and they'll be coming up on this channel too. So I need things that I can use for maybe some Christmas projects that I have not planned yet, but they're coming. Let's see here. The next thing I got was this letter T, and it's a little hook. And I think what happened is they put the price right there, and when they took the price tag off, it took it with the paint. So they couldn't sell it. And because all the T's were like that, they had this thing on there, and it looks like probably the price tag was on there. And so now I got it for 79 cents. That's not bad. I got the letter, and if I don't want to use the hook, you can definitely unscrew it in the back, which is so cool. But I got the letter T. My sister's name starts with a T, so the Mila. So I can use it maybe for a project for her. Then I got this for 99 cents, originally $3.99. It says gather. And I was thinking I can do something with it for Thanksgiving, possibly. Keep on going. So I stopped by, I don't know if you guys can see it right here, 50 cents each, or 50 cents a yard, and I got 2 yards each. Tulle was on sale. Yay! So I got a brown, an orange, and a yellow. You gotta buy things that are off season in order to get a good discount, and for crafters, fall is not that far away. At Hobby Lobby, as I was walking through, they were putting out Thanksgiving, like fall stuff and Christmas stuff already. But, you know, it's a craft shop, so that only makes sense. Next thing I have is this cute little rooster, 49 cents. It is so, so cute. Tomorrow I have a video coming out that has a farm animal, and I looked everywhere. I was like, I could not do my DIY because I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. So I was like, if something like that comes up again, I got my rooster. So, all right, so that's 49 cents. Then I got some of these gorgeous, gorgeous printed felt sheets. So I got a few of these. I'll just show you the prints. I'll just take them down. Then this pink one. And so the first ones were 19 cents. The pink one was 19 cents. I believe some of these, look at this one. I like this one. This one's 19 cents. This one is 19 cents. And then the rest of these are actually 12 cents. So not so bad. I needed them. So that's, and I do realize as I'm watching my videos that I say the word so many times. So I will, see, can't help it. I will try to control that. Next thing, I got a little headband. As you can see, I do like my headbands. And this one was 99 cents. And it's fox leather with a little bow. And why not? It's so cute. And 99 cents? Yeah, I'll take it. I got that. Then the next item, it has a letter N. as you can see right there. And originally it was $8.99. I got it for $2.24, which is a steal because it's like, it's a bigger, I call it a teacup because for coffee I use a little bit smaller. I don't know, my Smoky Mountain mug is pretty much the same. But yeah, I like big mugs and I cannot lie. Alrighty, moving on. The rest of this is 90% off. So the first thing is, I don't know why I got it because I don't. $3.99, I got it for 90% off. So, I feel what, 40 cents or something? 50 maybe. So these are the little peeps and they're so cute. I was like, I can use them somehow next year in my Easter DIYs. It's just so adorable. These next ones, if you do the math, $3.99. I literally paid 40 or 50 cents with taxes for these. So half of what I would have paid at the Dollar Tree. And I'm sitting here thinking I should have gotten more because I only got 5 of these. Or actually 3 of the little ones, I think. The bigger ones, yeah. So I only got 3 of them, which was a mistake on my part. I should have gotten another one, but there's so many you can get. So I got 2 of these shadow boxes like this because I can do stuff on the inside here. So I'm excited about that. Then this one is a little different and this one's $3.99 also. And it has a little bit of, you know, fabric in the back, a little bunny going on. In the back, it's not a full shadow box. It's kind of, you know, the design is in the middle of the box kind of thing. And then these were originally $6.99, also got 90% off, just because they are so deep. They're like, you know, almost half of my finger deep on the inside. So this could be really, really nice. And on this side, it looks like this. So I'm very excited about these. And if I'm not mistaken, that is it for this haul. I tried to go through really, really quickly because it was a lot of stuff, but now that I have it all, need to put it away, organize it, and get ready to do more DIYs. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you like hauls, crafts, DIYs, Trash to Treasure, Dollar Tree DIYs, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the thumbs up because it really does help me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.